अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाह। प्यारे बच्चों, 8th जो सिविक्स हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसका जो हमने अंडरस्टैंडिंग लॉ जो चैप्टर नंबर 4 पढ़ा है, तो उसके क्वेश्चन जो हैं उनके आंसर्स, क्वेश्चंस और आंसर, सवाल और जवाबात, वो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है, राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स व्हाट you understand by the term the rule of law. In your response, include a fictitious or real example of a violation of the rule of law. तो आंसर यहाँ से है, the rule of law is a provision of the Indian Constitution that states that all people in independent India are equal before the law. The rule of law is a provision of the Indian Constitution that states that all people in independent India are equal before the law. Every law is equal for every citizen in the country. Neither the president or any other high official is above the law. The punishment for any crime committed will be the same for every person, irrespective of post or power. For example, if a clerk is punished for corruption, the same punishment needs to be given to a higher official or minister for committing the same crime of corruption. Question number 2. State 2 reasons why historians refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India. Answer. 2 reasons why historians refute to claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India are: number 1, the colonial law was arbitrary; number 2, the Indian nationalists played a prominent role in the development of the legal sphere in British India. Question number 3. Read the storyboard on how a new law on domestic violence got passed. Describe in your own words the different ways in which women's group worked to make this happen. Answer. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 was passed with an aim to protect a woman against any kind of violence, be it physical or verbal. Various women's groups worked to make this happen by reporting multiple cases of domestic violence to the various forums. A group of lawyers, law students, and activists worked together for drafting the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection. Other than this, various women organizations, National Commission for Women, made submissions to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. All these actions taken by women together made the government pass the bill against domestic violence. Question number 4. Write in your own words, what do you understand by the following sentence on page 44-45? They also began fighting for greater equality and wanted to change the idea of law from a set of rules that they were forced to obey to the law as including ideas of justice. Answer. India before independence was forced to follow the rules set by the British government. These set of rules were arbitrary and nor were not authorized by the Indian nationalists. Hence, the freedom struggle against the British also aimed at the Britishers also aimed at making a set of rules that were fair and just for all and were not just imposed on the Indians to follow. The Indian nationalists began to fight for their rights and wanted a set of rules that were equal for all. तो गोब्रो यम क्या सवाल बे अमन हंद जवाब।